welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Wet n Wild metallic eyeshadow palette. If you do want to see a review and a demo, please keep watching. Here's a closer look on what the packaging looks like. It says Wet n Wild and then it says the metallic eyeshadow palette. When you flip it over to the back, you do have a picture on what the shadows do look like. It does have 15 shades in total. Let's go ahead and open this up. What the actual eyeshadow palette looks like. Again, it does look like the packaging. When you flip it over to the back, it doesn't look like anything. Go ahead and open this up. So it does have this plastic here to protect the shadows, and bummer, it doesn't have a mirror. But let's flip this to the back and let's peel off this film here. There we go. Here's what all 15 shadows look like. I want to read a little bit about this eyeshadow palette. It does say, we have opened our vault to celebrate our 40th anniversary with you. This limited edition metallic palette features 15 of our most iconic shades. These ultra pigmented metallic shades deliver high color payoff and buildable coverage. The ultra smooth, long lasting, creamy shadows let you create all the eye looks you want, from classic neutral looks to a bold and brilliant. We're gonna jump right into the swatches. We're gonna start with the first shade here. Wow, super creamy in the pan. Here's what that shadow looks like. Very pigmented for one swipe. Let's see what the next shadow swatch is like. Again, super buttery in the pan. Again, very pigmented. Here's what this one swatch is like. Beautiful. The last shade in the top row. Let's see what that one looks like. I'm not even dipping in that hard in the pan. I'm just literally swiping my finger across it. I'm not like digging in like I normally do. These shades are very buttery. This shade is very interesting, so I do want to build it up. Now the last row in this eyeshadow palette. Wow, so reflective. Here we have all 15 shades swatched on the back of my hand. Now we're going to create a look using this eyeshadow palette. We're going to be creating an all metallic look using just this eyeshadow palette. Taking a fluffy brush, we're going to dip into the second shadow here, and we're going to fluff that all over our crease. Since this eyeshadow palette doesn't have a mirror, I'm just using the one in front of me, but I really wish that this eyeshadow palette did come with a mirror. First of all, that is super pigmented. I'm not getting a lot of fallout. That's super interesting, especially because these are metallic shades. It's blending out really nicely. I don't have to do a lot of pulling or pushing. Super pigmented too. Taking a flat brush, I'm gonna dip into this shadow here, popping that on our outer V. And in my inner corner, I'll place a different shadow in the center. Just like that, I'm gonna be doing the same thing on the other eye. Here's how the eyeshadow looks so far. Using my finger, we're gonna dip into this aqua shadow. We're gonna pop that in the center of our lid. The shadow is not applying as I would like it to using my fingers. Grabbing another flat brush, just gonna detail this shade in the center. I am getting a little bit of fallout. I'm gonna spray my brush using the Wet n Wild primer water. I'm just gonna be taking just a little bit. Going back into that aqua blue shadow, applying it to the center. There we go. Here's how everything is currently looking like. I'm going to clean up the fallout underneath my eyes, and then I will come back and let you guys know my final thoughts on this eyeshadow palette. I do want to add one more eyeshadow to this look, and it's this golden shade here. We're going to pop that in our inner corner. For mascara, I'm going to be applying the L'Oreal Unlimited Mascara. For lips, I'm going to be applying the shade in Cinnamon Toast by Jordana. This is their Sweet Cream Matte Liquid Lip. I found this the other day when I was cleaning out my drawers. I forgot how good this liquid lip is. Here's how everything looks like. My final thoughts on this eyeshadow palette is that I really did enjoy each and every one of these eyeshadow shades. I love how it did swatch on the back of my hand. They were one swipe pigment. When I look at these shades in this palette, they look beautiful, they're colorful, but after I swatch them, I'm like, this is not metallic. I'm getting more of a shimmery vibe. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Overall, you guys, I really did enjoy this eyeshadow palette. I love the formula, I love the color payoff. If you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.